First case of COVID-19 positive reported in Sikkim. A 25-year-old from South Sikkim was tested positive for COVID-19. Health Director General Dr. Pembati Bhutia, speaking to media person on Saturday, May 23rd, said that the sample was sent to North Bengal Medical College and Hospital. Tested positive, and the report came at 3:30 p.m. on Saturday. The person had returned to his home state on May 19 from Delhi and staying at a government quarantine center in South Sikkim with 11 other returnees. Dr. Bhutia informed that the patient was under the treatment for fever and is doing fine as of now. The patient had been brought to STNM hospital on May 21 from the facility quarantine. The other person staying with the infected persons would be tested, and also all his contacts would be traced and sent to quarantine center, he added.
We have been receiving lots of returnees from outside Sikkim, and recently one young boy, he had traveled from Delhi. On 21st of May, he developed some symptoms like fever and chills, and the antipyretic medicine was given in the quarantine center only. Then he was taken to Malli from Namchi district hospital. From there he was sent to, on 22nd morning, he was brought to STNM hospital. So as soon as he arrived in flu clinic in STNM hospital, a sample was taken from the flu clinic only and was sent for the TrueNet testing. When we got the report, he was tested positive in the TrueNet.
Those who travel with the patient in the bus to the quarantine center would be tested also, informed Bhutia. The room at the quarantine facility in the JNV Rabongla, where Sikkim's first COVID-19 patient was staying, had been sealed, said officials. 6 persons who came with the patient to the facility have had their testing conducted. The results have come out as negative as per the TrueNet at STNM hospital. A total of 192 persons are in the quarantine facility, but so far it has not been declared as a containment zone, with the South Sikkim district collector being awaited for a visit to the area.
He had traveled to Siliguri in a bus with some fellow Sikkimese people and other people, and he reached Siliguri on 19, and 19 they were taken to Malli in a bus where there were total 12 of them. So we have sent all the details to all the concerned GMOs and all this, and we have to now, our IDSP cell will be contacting Delhi IDSP for the contact tracing who have traveled in the bus from Delhi.
Meanwhile, the patient is receiving treatment at the COVID-19 designated center at STNM hospital. All necessary precautions are being taken by the medical staff attending to the patient.
The person is asymptomatic. He had fevers and chills for 1 or 2 days, but now he is totally asymptomatic. He doesn't have any problem, though the test is positive. So he will be in isolation, COVID positive isolation ward for a few days. And once, if he is better, then we will be doing his test again, 2 samples in 24 hours. And if both the samples come negative, then we will be discharging him.
Meanwhile, report of 300 samples from Sikkim is yet to come. As many as 3,000 returnees have arrived Sikkim till date. Total registration returnees are at 8,000. With Deepa Gurung, Gang Talk.